Hello everyone, I'm ManoolKay and today I will do space makeup. I already have foundation, eyebrows, a bit of nude shadows and mascara. I will work with a palette of pressed pigments from Morphe and James Charles. First, I will apply the bright color pink and blue. Next, I apply darker colors, purple and dark blue. Feather the borders. I add pigments to make it brighter and more carefully extinguish the color transitions. I go through white sparkles of very finely ground. In general, it was eyeshadow from Hoopa, but I grounded them and now it sparkles. I put pearl sand powder on our cosmos. No one will forbid me to shine even more. Now I take a thin brush and draw small dots with a white corrector. Time for softness. I draw in a few clouds on the cheeks, making the upper borders clean and the lower ones shaded. I draw individual stars. This star is my big gem, and the rest is in order. Just draw the places. Add more points. Since the clouds are not pure white, if you draw white stars on them, you may get a feeling of space. Now I dust the individual parts individually, and then all together. Doing eye makeup in pink and purple with arrows and false eyelashes. The arrows are clearly not mine, and false eyelashes too. I tint my lips, put mother of pearl on them. It remains to do a hairstyle and change clothes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Photos you can see on my Instagram.